The Senate has voted to return the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte to the House of Representatives. Here is the full story.
With a vote of 18-5, the articles of impeachment against Vice President Sara Duterte will be sent back to the House of Representatives. 18 senators voted in favor, while 5 opposed. This came after a motion by Senator Bato de la Rosa to dismiss the impeachment complaint. That motion was immediately challenged by Senate Minority Leader Coco Pimentel. According to Pimentel, it was against the law. He emphasized that the Senate has a constitutional duty to deliberate on impeachment cases as only the Senate is mandated by the Constitution to act as the impeachment court.
Wala po tayong choice but to respect, lalo na ito, we fall squarely under this subparagraph 4 which I just read. We have to respect the decision of the overwhelming majority of the members of the House of Representatives.
He added that if the Senate proceeds with the trial, the evidence related to the charges against impeached official will surface, allowing them to make a decision based on that evidence.
The trial will give that impeached officer the chance to clear his or her name and at the same time maybe rebuild his or her reputation.
Senator Risa Hontiveros also objected to the Duterte's bloc's motion to dismiss the complaint.
I too object to the motion of Senator Judge De La Rosa. A motion to dismiss is not found. Hindi po nahahanap itong motion to dismiss sa Rules of Procedure on Impeachment na literal ka-adapt lang po natin. At kung mayroon man, hindi Senator Judge ang magre-raise nun, kundi ang defendant. Si Vice President Sara Duterte ang dapat mag-raise niyan.
But De La Rosa responded,
If this impeachment court has the power to dismiss an impeachment complaint, walang silbi itong korte na ito, Mr. President. That's my opinion, Mr. President. Ano bang gamit ng korte na ito kung hindi inherent yung power niya to dismiss? So that's my humble legal opinion, although I am not a lawyer.
Hontiveros also explained that before the impeachment court decides, the prosecution and defense should first be informed so they can submit their comments. Some senators expressed they wanted the impeachment proceedings to continue.
Kailangan ay ilitis kung ito ba ay makatarungan o hindi. So, gagawin lang natin yon ngayon. Kung kulang na talaga sa oras, pass your papers, hindi natapos, hindi na natin saklaw yon dahil pwede natin sabihin, ginawa natin, hindi lang nagkaroon ng desisyon. Wala naman nagsasabing kailangan may desisyon.
Senator Alan Peter Cayetano weighed the gravity of Senator Bato's request to dismiss the impeachment.
Mabigat tong puntong ito. That's my appeal to Senator Bato na mabigat desisyonan ng dismissed based on it has not been filed that we violated the Constitution na mahigit isang beses tong final.
Because of this, Cayetano requested that De La Rosa amend his motion, instead of dismissing it, to simply remand or return the articles of impeachment to the House. At first, De La Rosa refused, but in the middle of the debate, he agreed to Cayetano's proposed amendment. That, however, was opposed by the minority bloc. Hontiveros questioned why the articles had to be returned to the House when the Senate could simply ask for a response to the issues.
Remanding is a functional dismissal. Return is a functional dismissal. Para po sa akin, parang dinribble natin ng matagal tapos ipapasa natin ulit ang bola. Hindi po kailangang ibalik ang articles of impeachment sa House of Representatives.
This will not and does not constitute a dismissal because afterwards, after we settle this issue, and I think Senator Judge Cayetano also clarified that, the same is true with Senator Judge Villanueva, this is in no way a dismissal because we will be issuing summons after this.
Bakit dinadala kami sa dismissal, remand, return, whatever is the term, Mr. President? Hindi ko alam bakit kailangan tayo bakit ba tayo namimilipit na ipasok ang isang word that is a synonym or can mean dismissal.
In the end, when the matter was put to a vote, the majority prevailed. The articles of impeachment will be returned to the House. But this does not mean the impeachment complaint is being dismissed or terminated.